Hi. Just looking at the liquidity here in Bitcoin, we've seen Bitcoin. So let's zoom out a little bit. We've seen Bitcoin have a reasonably tight section through this 20th of Feb before the market turned south a little bit, and this loose section here played out into a reactive tightening. Since then, it's been a little bit loose. We can see it's quite up high. Some of that liquidity has stayed here. Some of that tightening has stayed here from buying around the 95,000 mark. I think it's going to play out that we've had hidden tightening in the market, and I'll just show you where I think that we've had hidden tightening here in MicroStrategy. We can see that we haven't had a period this tight in liquidity. We had one little bit here around the 30th of December. We really haven't seen any areas this tight since back in September and October. Pretty good looking chart. If we go in a little bit closer, I think it becomes more obvious the closer we go that there is quite good tightening in the market, and this liquidity is staying down low and tight. And again, in MicroStrategy, the leveraged MicroStrategy, it's even higher. So I think there's a lot of people who aren't option traders, who don't like the IV in option trading, who are going long here, the leveraged ETF of MicroStrategy. I think that will probably come through and play out. Again, we've seen very good tightening here in the last couple of days of the week. Not only was there some last week, but into the end of Thursday and Friday, we saw these great tightening periods in Mara, and I would expect to see Mara probably open up 10, if not more, maybe 15% today, after quite a subdued week, considering how much of the underlying was being bought. Anyway, let's hope we have a good week's trading in Bitcoin and Mara and Muster. I'm going to go long. I'm going to try the MicroStrategies leveraged, and I'm going to also get some options in Mara. Hopefully it doesn't open up too high, but I've got a feeling it might have missed the boat if we weren't buying on Friday. I think there's a bit of upside. We've probably got a couple of weeks of upside towards the end as we go through this OPEX period. Anyway, good trading for the week, and I hope you've seen a little bit of what you want to see in the liquidity in Bitcoin. Thank you very much. Cheers.